Hi, my name is Mark Epps, and I'm the founder and CEO of Epps Public Strategies. Epps Public Strategies is a professional services firm. We are based out of Nashville, Tennessee, and we specialize in project management, owner's representation, and DBE consulting services. We work with large general contractors, developers, and governmental agencies. We have experience with commercial, higher education, civil projects, transit, and government. I was first introduced to Brasfield Gorrie via David Gordon. David is the office leader here in Nashville, and we have built a great relationship throughout the past couple of years. Our first project with Brasfield Gorrie began in 2023 at Vanderbilt University on the Central Utilities and Highland Plant project. My company provided contractor outreach services during pre-construction and is now providing DBE tracking and monitoring throughout the project. Working with Brasfield and Gore has been great, and I enjoy the project team, and we have a great working relationship. The Equip program is a great program. The program keeps you updated on projects not only in your local area, but anywhere that Brasfield and Gore are involved in. The program is vital to small companies like mine, and I highly recommend the program to any contractor that is looking to do business with Brasfield.